We have tried to understand it with the help of different examples. One thing more we will try to understand, whenever we talk about, I hope it is clear to all of you, what is effectivity and what is efficiency. Effectivity is doing the right task, whereas efficiency is doing task right. Effectivity means achieving of the organizational goals timely. Efficiency means making maximum or best use of resources by minimizing the cost of production. When we talk about efficiency, to make proper use of resources, we see input and output relationship. Input means the resources which we are using. It may be, we have talked about 4 M's, physical resources, it may be financial resources, it may be human resources. Whatever inputs we are using, that input has to be utilized in such a way that it gives best output. When we say best output, how can we judge whether the output is good or not in terms of efficiency? Efficiency is always related with input and output relationship. If output is greater than input, efficiency is there. If output is greater than input, there is efficiency. Or if with lesser input, same output we are getting, then also there is efficiency maintained. For example, you can take input, that means the benefits. Output is in the form of the benefits which you are getting, or the goals, to what extent you are achieving, in what way. The benefit should always be greater than the cost involved. If we are using rupees 3 as input, and by using this 3 rupees, very small figure I have taken, and output we are getting in return in the form of rupees 5. So what it is showing, that output is greater than input. Benefit, 3 रुपए का रिसोर्स आपने लगाया और 5 रुपए आपको उससे अर्न हो रहा है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर गेटिंग मोर आउटपुट. दैट मीन्स एफिशिएंसी इज मेंटेन्ड. अब दूसरा केस है, दिस इज व्हाट इज रेफर्ड टू दिस. दूसरा केस में कम एफिशिएंसी मेंटेन होती है व्हेन लेसर इनपुट इज यूज्ड एंड सेम आउटपुट वी आर गेटिंग. अर्लियर वी वर यूजिंग 3 input and we were getting 5 output. If we use rupees 2 instead of rupees 3 and we get the same output rupees 5, what does it show? That means we are using now lesser input but we are getting the same output. Then too efficiency is maintained. So organizational goals have to be maintained both effectively and efficiently. When we say effectively means achieving the goal timely. There we do not consider the cost, isn't it? And when we say efficiency, that means cost constant has to be kept in mind. So both have to be combined in the achievement of organizational goal. If we are achieving the goal effectively, not efficiently, then too it is not good. Vice versa, if there is efficiency maintained, we were trying to minimize the cost but we couldn't achieve the target. मान लीजिए हमें ऑर्डर मिला कहीं से, we got the order of 5,000 shirts from somewhere and the cost was fixed at rupees 200, and in order to cut the cost we couldn't, you may say, complete the orders, then our orders will go from us. So both efficiency and effectivity have to be maintained properly, and that is why there is need for managers in the organizations to see that whatever goal has been set in the organization, those goals, they are achieved effectively and efficiently, and with the help of managers the goals are achieved because he has the art of managing. He gets the work done through people who are working under him in the organization, and if he is a good manager, he will always achieve the target effectively and efficiently. So with this, we have completed the introduction part in which we learnt about what is management, the definition of management, the concept of management, important terms related, or you may say in the mentioned in the definition of management, to get a complete picture of what is management. So management is something which is universal, which is important, which is necessary in every organization, whether it is business or it is non-business organization. And manager is someone who manages. Why is called a manager? Because he has people under him whom he can certainly give orders and through whom he can get the work done. Had there been no one under workers, there are no one working. So they are called workers. Managers is someone who has subordinates under them. So he may be called by different names. If I am teaching you some subject or I am the class teacher, I am the manager of that class. I am managing the entire classroom in my own way to see that whatever I want to achieve, I am able to achieve and get all the work done through you all in a proper manner. So students, with this we have completed the introduction part. Next, in our next class, we will be talking about the features, we will be talking about the objectives and the importance of the management. Till then, you need to revise, you have to use your NCERT textbooks, go through it. If you are having any problems anywhere in understanding any concept, just message me, or you can, when we interact, you can just put your questions and ask me your doubts. And study well, because this pandemic time, this is not going to be over very soon. Already 2 months time has passed, and very soon this 4-5 months will also go and your board exams will come. So this is not your local exam. Be serious in your studies and see that you give me results. This is all I need. So God bless you all, students. So be regular to your class and see that you enjoy your studies. Till then, thank you. Take care, all of you.